Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a video, an unboxing of a wand wizard. Sorry I had to show it. Yeah. So I actually do have wand wizard, two of them. One will be open normally with a rip, and the other one will be, I'll be keeping in the box. I'll be keeping this one. So yeah. I wanted this for competitive use. So some of these parts for competitive use, so that's why I got them. Normal white ripcord. So here it is. Here's the QR code. I still need to do the QR code. Now, let me get the actual box open. The one I'm going to keep. I will be getting the rest of the Wave 3 stuff, but I wanted to get this one, these two, because competitive use. Once I see more of these in stores, because I bought this online, I'll be getting it for competitive use. So I know how good it is. Okay. But these guys are really cool to use. Or, yeah. Definitely gonna be fun to use these in tournaments. Okay. Finally have Wizard Arrow, or Wand Wizard. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.